Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back after a long holiday. Okay, so today I would like to explain about your group project guidelines. But before I go for the detailed explanation on your group project, let's take a look uh, on the evaluation for this subject. Okay, so actually this information I have explained to you on our first class. I just want to recap back to ensure you are aware on what you are doing. Okay, so for this subject you have a 60% for continuous assessment. Okay, first is group project, which is meeting documents equal to 20%. Okay, so this what I will explain today. Okay, and then another 20% is for quizzes. Okay, so we already done with quiz 1. Okay, and then another 20% is based on individual online discussion. Okay, this one what we have already done on during our tutorial class. Okay, then another 40% is online final test. Okay, so this one will be done on week 14. Okay, so first let's take a look on the group project guidelines. Okay, so for this group project guidelines, there are two main tasks that you need to do. Okay, task number 1, you need to prepare a meeting video. Okay, so for this, students are required to plan and conduct 10 to 15 minutes live meeting through online platform. Okay, you may use any suitable platform that okay, you can use Google Meet, Webex, Microsoft Teams, or other available online platforms. Okay, then you need to record the meetings. Okay, so the meetings topic should be based on ongoing issue at the office that is related to the nature of your company business. Okay, the topic what you want to discuss during the meeting is up to your organization, up to your team members. Okay, depends kepada your punya company business. Okay, for example, recruitment and selection, marketing, safety and health, customer complaint, or other issues. Okay, then you may include anything you think is relevant or appropriate in your video, including PowerPoint slide and pictures. Okay, let's say if you want to explain about the financial about your organizations. So maybe you want to show the graph. Okay, to show your financial statement. Okay, up to your creativity. Okay, and then you must be presentable in your delivery, and if possible wear proper business like attire. Okay, you need to wear a business attire during the meeting. Okay, and then the video must be entirely in English and of high quality. You need to make sure the audio is clear. Okay, and then you need to record the meeting and publish it in YouTube. Okay, so once you publish on YouTube, you need to set the video as unlisted. So for each group, submit the published meeting video link and the meeting report as instructed by the respective lecturer. Okay, so this you will send you will submit your meeting video link and then report to your tutorial lecturer. Okay. So student will be evaluated based on these following criteria. Okay, so this is what will be evaluate for your video. Okay, so first, content properly arranged with a brief introduction. Of course, when we are having a meeting, so you need to share your agenda or objective of the meeting to make sure those who are listening to your meeting know what you are talking about. Okay, and then each point is creatively displayed or explained using various tools throughout the slide in the video. Okay, make sure when you are talking about the you want to present about the information to make sure other person understand. Okay, so you may use various tools. Okay, it's like up to you, up to your creativity. Okay, and then last is delivery and appearance. Okay, so this one will be evaluate on your English fluency, facial expression, proper body language, hand gesture, and business attire. Okay, so we are done with video. Okay, video meeting. Next is second task is meeting reports. Okay, so students are required to prepare meeting documents relating to meeting procedure. Okay, so this is a report what you need to do based on your meeting. First, you need to have a brief introduction of a company. Okay, so this introduction about company is you need to explain about your company background, vision, mission. Okay, uh, and then second is notice of meeting. Uh, and then third is agenda. Okay, notice of meeting and agenda come with one page only. Okay, combine this notice of meeting and agenda with one page only. Okay, and then minutes of meeting. Okay, so next is minutes of meeting. Okay, so minutes of meeting is the explanation on based on what meeting that you have done on recorded to. Okay, explain all based on your discussion. Okay, then come up with the minutes of meeting. Okay. Then your report should follow the following guidelines. Okay, so your meeting reports must be typed in area 11, double spacing. Okay, it should have a cover page and table of content. Okay, so what should be included on your cover page is must have program title and program code. Okay, and then you need to put course title and course code, title of the assignment, lecturer's name, student's detail, include your name, the student's number, group, and faculty. Okay, and then last one is date of submission. Okay, then next is your report must have page number. Okay, make sure you insert a page number. Okay, and then list of references if there are any website book that you are used to make as a reference for your report to complete your report. Okay, next is appendix. Okay, all related materials which is visual using during the meeting. Okay, all the related. Let's say you have show a slide presentation. Okay, so put it as appendix. Okay, then save your assignment in PDF format. Okay, save your file using file name format, which is name of your company, name of your group. Okay, for example, okay, your company name is Super Clean Pest Control, and then put together your class name. Okay, and then last is make sure the name and student numbers of all group members are typed on the assignment cover. Make sure all team members or your team members are name of your team members typed on the assignment cover. Okay, so for the report, you will be evaluated based on these following criteria. Okay, so first, based on writing and organization, 20 marks. Okay, so your report logic, this is what we are looking for, report logically structured, which include company introduction with name and logo included. Okay, so for logo, you need to create your own logo, not from any website, not from any established company. Okay, you create your own logo. Okay, illustrate the company well with the mission, vision, and objective of the company. Okay, and then relate. Okay, so this is from the notice. Okay, notice and agenda in one page. Okay, as I mentioned before, make sure notice and agenda in one page only. Okay, this is include the day, time, and venue are clearly stated, and then you need to include the type of meeting, company name, and logo, which is letterhead. Okay, put a logo top on the notice of meeting. Okay, and then agenda. Okay, agenda 5 marks, a list of matters and subject to be discussed, clearly numbered and stated. Okay, make sure you put on the notice and agenda all the information or objective for your meeting. Okay, and and last is minutes of meeting. Okay, so minutes of meeting is equal to 15 marks. Okay, the content in minutes related to the notice and agenda. Of course, the content in your minutes are related to the agenda that you have write down. Okay, so you need to properly elaborate with the name and of proposer and seconder. Okay, make sure there are name of proposer and seconder for the minutes. Okay, and then reflect document and video. Okay, able to apply judgment, provides comparison, give opinion and communication insights. Okay, so this is based on your document and video. Okay, if there are any judgment or you have provide a comparison, give opinion within among team members. Okay, this one is 10 marks. Okay, and then another 10 marks is for meeting procedure, which is you are using a proper format for each document with page number, and then you submit within the due date. Okay, so due date is on week 12. Okay, so for exact date for submission, you may ask your respective lecturer. Okay, I think that's all for explanation on group project. If anything, if you are not really understand, you may ask your lecturer. Okay, so that's all class. Thank you.